2026 might look like just another year on the calendar, but in space, it could mark the beginning of a new era. New missions, new technology, and new questions about our place in the universe. What humanity does next could change space exploration forever. For decades, space exploration was slow, expensive, and limited to a few historic moments. But now, something has changed. Technology is accelerating, ambitions are growing, and 2026 sits right at the center of that momentum. This isn't about one rocket or one mission, it's about a turning point. For most of history, space missions were cautious. One mistake meant total failure. But by 2026, space agencies and private companies are taking bigger risks because they finally can. Reusable rockets, smarter navigation, AI-assisted systems. Missions are no longer just about reaching space, they're about staying there longer and going farther than ever before. For a long time, the moon felt like a finished chapter. We went there, we planted flags, and we moved on. But in 2026, the moon is becoming important again, not as a destination, but as a launch pad, a testing ground, a stepping stone, a place to learn how humans survive off Earth. What we figure out on the moon will decide how far we can go next. Mars used to feel impossible, too far, too dangerous, too expensive. But by 2026, Mars exploration enters a serious phase. Robotic missions are more advanced, data is clearer, and long-term planning is real. The question isn't longer, can we reach Mars? It's becoming, how do we live there someday? One of the quiet revolutions of 2026 is happening far from rockets and astronauts: telescopes. Next-generation space observatories are peering deeper into the universe than humans ever have before. They're finding new galaxies, new planetary systems, and hints that the universe is far stranger than we imagined. What we discover could reshape our understanding of time, space, and even life itself. By 2026, artificial intelligence isn't just helping missions, it's running parts of them. AI now navigates spacecraft, detects system failures, and makes real-time decisions millions of miles from Earth. This matters because deep space doesn't allow second chances. The future of exploration may depend on machines thinking faster than humans ever could. Something else is changing. Space is becoming personal. More people are watching launches live. More students are studying astronomy. More creators are turning space into stories. 2026 represents a moment where humanity doesn't just study the universe, it connects with it. And that shift might be the most important one of all. Landmark years aren't obvious when you're living in them. They only make sense later when you look back and realize this was the year everything started to move faster. 2026 may not give us all the answers, but it could define the direction of the next century of exploration. The universe isn't waiting, and neither are we. If you want to follow humanity's next great chapter from the moon to Mars and beyond, subscribe to the channel because the future of space is just getting started.